everybody, welcome back to Crystals Collectibles, Fun Collectibles. Today I'll be sharing with you my opening of this set right here. It has 24 cards and one foil card. It is the Walmart Collector's Pack from LLC. I'm opening another one of these. I have done these in the past. And I do like these just to see what cards are in it. I only get one or two at a time though, because if there's not good cards, I'm not wasting a lot of money. They are 7 each now. I think they were 5. I think they went up because everything's going up in price. But this is what the back looks like. And they are 7 at my Walmart now. So I'm only getting 1 or 2. Because the limit is 2 cards at my Walmarts and Targets now. 2 packs. So I'm getting like 1 bigger pack and 1 of these just to get the second pack. And here are the cards. I'm just going to show you guys what I got in here. I don't know what I got because I wanted to do it with you guys. So first I got Mantine, which is cool. He's definitely going in my folder. I'm going to make 2 packs. One I'm selling / donating. One I am keeping for myself. But this is what he looks like. Really cool. That's keep. Next is Clefairy. And I would keep her, but I think I already got this card. If I don't, that's definitely a keep. And I'm only collecting certain Pokemon for myself. I'm not collecting all over 800 because that's a lot of Pokemon cards to try to collect. So I'm only doing certain Pokemon evolutions in Pokemon. Got Silk Cobra. I think he's one of the newer ones because I don't know the Pokemon. Isn't maybe. Got Munana. That's probably not how you say it, but that's in the donate pile. Roselia's a keep. Really cool card. Sizzlepod. That's donate. Wooloo is definitely a keep. As you can see, these sets have different themes and different cards. I only get them because a few times I did get older cards, which is really cool in them. So it's a chance of spending 7 to get an older card. I got Chew Turtle. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, I'm still getting used to trying to say the new Pokemon's names, but another Mantine. Is that the same one? It is the same one. So one's going in keep, one's going in donate. Grookey, definitely keep. Unless I already got that one. Snubble, keep. Rhyhorn is definitely in the keep ones. I also got another one. Same card. Again, that's a chance to take a... No, different. Okay, cool. 2 different ones. But if it was the same one, that's a chance you take for getting a random pack. Which is also the fun in it, because you never know what you're going to find. Seeking. Donate. Bullpix is definitely a keep. Look at how cute she is. Let's see what else I got. Meta Cactus or something? Donate. And I'm not worried about the bio of the cards too. If I donate / sell a big pack and I don't get my money, it's not... I usually do trades, and since they're just extra cards anyways, and I'm keeping the ones I want, it's not a waste of money. So we got Mudbray, which is a keep. Yes, adorable. I just traded like a huge lot of extras for 4 Pokemon cards. So the price doesn't matter to me as long as I can get the cards I want any way I can. Pornard, I think. Donate. Though he does look kind of cool, but not in my area. Supporters I usually keep. Cassius? Don't know who he is, but I usually keep the supporters. Oh, only a few more left. Let's see if I get anything else good. Big Charm, donate. Don't need that. Pokemon Center ladies, keep. Score Bunny's definitely a keep. Looks mad in this one. Kicking the air and flames coming out. Really cute card. Up, down to my last 3. Water Energy. Donate. Let's see. Energies are a donate. And Monchop is my foil. Really cool looking card. Monchop is in the... might be in the keep section. I don't know. Really cool card though. And that's it. Not major cards this time, but sometimes you do get lucky. Like I said, I got a few older cards last time. So for $7, it's totally worth the gamble. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you who watches and supports my channel. Thank you so much. And I hope each and every one of you has a fabulous day.